If you've been struggling to grow on Instagram, the first reason why is because this feature is not turned on. Let's talk about how I got 1 million views on Instagram without having 5,000 followers. Number one is you have to turn on this cross-posting feature. It's so hard to show your content to people who aren't following you, and when people who aren't following you can't watch your videos, then you can never grow on Instagram. So one way to fix this is turning on this feature. You want to go on settings, click on business, and then click on cross-posting, and then you want to link your Instagram to your Facebook page or profile. Don't worry, your videos won't be shown to your Facebook profile. It's just gonna be shown to the Facebook Reels tab. Number two, you have to test out short form and long form videos. Short form meaning videos that are 6 seconds long and using a trending audio, or long form videos that are talking head videos that are more than 15 seconds long. In my case, I get more views on talking head videos, and videos that are in talking head videos actually gets me to 100k or even 1 million views if I use them properly or with a content strategy. Number three, if you're just starting out with Reels, then I suggest to try to start posting 3 to 5 times a week. This is actually a hack for the Instagram algorithm to work with you. The algorithm doesn't know where to show your content because you're not posting as much yet. So I suggest to try posting 3 to 5 times a week and try to be consistent for a month on it. If you have any questions about how to stay consistent on social media, comment it below and I'll help you out. Number four, this IG feature is something that you also want to use, which is called IG topics. Whatever your content is about, for example, it's makeup, testing out a makeup product, a makeup look, make sure to use this IG topics and click on topics that is related to your video. This can be trends, makeup, styling. It really just depends on your video. You can find this by uploading a reel, and once you click on next, you will see add topics. In here, you will find the topics and make sure to click on topics related to your video. Now, if you don't have access to IG topics or you can't see topics related to your video, this is where number 5 steps in. Now you have to use hashtags or SEO keywords in your captions. Make sure to use hashtags that are related to your video. For example, again, with makeup, you can use hashtag makeup, hashtag advice for girls, hashtag blush hack, basically popular hashtags that are again related to your video. It's really important. You can also add these keywords into your video. So for example, you're doing a makeup look which is like latte makeup. You can put in your caption, this is how I do my latte makeup, and then with the hashtag, you can put hashtag latte makeup. Make sure to put the hashtags on the caption itself instead of adding it as a comment. Number 6, what really worked for me to get 1 million views was to actually trendjack. Trendjack meaning by using popular places, people, products as your hook or as your video topic. Hook meaning you're gonna be mentioning this popular place, product, person in the first 3 seconds of your video. If you want me to teach you about hooks or hooking people into your videos, let me know in the comments, and if enough people are actually looking for it, then I'll make a video for you. Number 7 is you need to make people comment. One pattern that I see on every viral video is that they have a full or active comment section. So what you want to do is you want people to either agree or disagree with you on the video topics that you have. If you see viral videos, people are always tagging their friends, giving their ideas, they're giving their opinions, and that's what makes a video go even more viral. So what you can do is, as a call to action or at the end of the video, you can ask people to comment their opinions or if they agree on what you just said in your video. Number 8 is such an underrated hack, which is you have to repurpose your videos from TikTok to Instagram. I know a lot of gurus already say this, but it actually saves you so much time creating different videos for different algorithms or different social media platforms. A video that didn't blow up on TikTok may go viral on Instagram. And my video that got 1 million views on Instagram only actually got 250,000 views on TikTok. So make sure to repurpose. Now, if you want to learn more about TikTok, I have a separate video dedicated to this entire topic. So make sure to check out that video next.